Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by creating your crypto. Calm account with a valid email and a strong password of at least 8 characters. Confirm your phone number for recovery. Complete KYC by uploading a government ID and a clear selfie. The platform typically reviews documents within 24-48 hours. After verification, enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app for immediate extra security. Save backup recovery codes in a secure place and do not share them. Set biometric unlock on mobile for convenience and privacy. To fund your account, choose bank transfer or deposit cryptocurrency to the exact wallet address provided. Always confirm network and address length before sending. You can buy crypto instantly with a debit or credit card. Card purchases may incur issuer fees around 3% depending on your bank. If you apply for the crypto. Calm Card, load fiat or crypto from your balance to spend. On-card top-ups can be instant or take 24-72 hours depending on your funding method. Track pending deposits in the app's Wallet tab. When you start trading, choose market orders for immediate execution or limit orders to set a target price. Use stop limit if you want automated risk control. Always check the token network when withdrawing, because fees and arrival times differ by network and by token. Confirm the destination address and network before you approve any withdrawal. Improve account safety with an email and authenticator 2FA. Enable withdrawal allow list. Use a strong, unique password. And for sizable balances, consider moving funds to a hardware wallet for cold storage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.